Good morning guys, how are we all doing? Welcome to another daily vlog. So, today I'm going to head off in a bit down to number 1 bistro, catch some lunch and yeah, go for a singing lesson, which should be fun. So without further ado, let's crack on with the day and see what happens. Guys, check this out. You can actually just about hear the fire alarm from here. But yeah, there we go. Hey guys, so post round coming to an end. You know, look, it's all going up. Those were what we put up last week. Yeah, the new ones are going up. And yeah, I've done most of the dockyards already. That's all done. I'm going to now get going to singing lesson in a bit, as it's almost 2:45. Yeah, it's almost 2:45. So yeah, I shall see you guys a bit later on. Good afternoon guys, it's after my singing lesson now and bumped into wonderful Isaac over here in the gouge. It was kind of random because he had sent me a Snapchat of, I think, his notebook and him sitting here, and then I guessed it was the gouge. I was about to head off and then I came in here and found him. So, yeah. But yeah, currently Isaac's trying to work on an essay, deciding like which topic to do it on.
Sad violent music. Cue.
And I've been trying to just help him with I was trying to help him with the thought process of it. But yeah, I'll probably see you guys a bit later, whenever I start heading back. But yeah, you'll see Isaac whenever, like, I don't see him.
In a coffin somewhere.
Oh no, please don't say that.
To try and get this done.
Please don't say that. Put in the comments section below if, like,
You want to do my essay?
ooh, that's a bargain.
Yeah. for some chips.
What's the deadline of it, Isaac?
It is 31st of March. You've got years.
Our essay deadline's also that too. So. But yeah, we'll see you guys whenever. Hey guys, so I've been cracking on with my practice diary work over there, and yeah, look what's arrived. It's a package for me. Yeah, I think my mum has sent me something. So yeah, let's get right into this. Once I find a tripod, which is somewhere. Yeah, let's get right into it. guys, check this out. This is so cool. Like, I've got this stand which elevates my computer on like a new height. Seems like it's a bit crooked on the camera, but it's not. But yeah, it's really awesome. It's really helpful. Thanks, Mum, for it. It's really, really helpful. Yeah, I can have my keyboard down here and my mouse here, over here, and just control that. So yeah, it's great. Right, now to crack on with this, the work. Hello everyone! We've got some guests here, as you can tell.
It was Hannah.
We've got Hannah over there. And then we've got the wonderful Emma over here, who does not want to be on camera. And then we've got the Isaac Trozzi Franconi. I don't know whether that was appropriate.
Nothing's ever appropriate.
But yeah, we've got Isaac who's trying to take a nap there. He's trying to take a nap here in the middle of the party scene.
Isaac, what's the song called?
This is Chandelier by Sia.
No.
Guys, this is spring cleaning of Isaac.
Oh, you get it. Oh, stop it.
I'm going to have to mute the audio in that bit. Yeah, spring. This is a spring cleaning of Isaac, apparently.
Oh, Alright.
Cheese on toast. Yeah, sorry, I made a thing for grate, which is grated cheese on toast. It's a new little bit. But we've got the Jesus on toast, which is excellent. Oh. Oh. Guys, I think we may need to move the parties. Yeah? I think we may need to move the party, guys. Come on, guys. Isaac's like got to...
There we go.
Sorry about that.
So,
Hey guys, you're right. I think I might be, according to Kirby, who's there.
I'm not allowed to be in this vlog today.
He says I'm breaking the law by vlogging.
I'm joking. Hello, vloggers of the YouTube.
There he is.
I'm doing an assignment. I'm doing it all by myself again. I'm joking.
I was just like literally pretending to poke him with an optical illusion of the pencil. See? He's grappling it.
I'm gonna flick it now.
Yeah, he's good at doing optical illusions. Oh!
I farted.
Thank you, Kirby.
Please
That fart.
me. I'm dying with Aaron's farting.
Hey, I did not fart. That was ambient noise we recorded in our project over there.
That was Aaron farting.
Hey, that's not fair. But yeah, that's ambient noise, guys. I'm working on a worksheet down here whilst helping Kirby with the project at the same time. So,
Please, if anyone wants to do this for us, please message us right now.
anyway, we shall see you guys a bit later. Good evening, guys. So it's now actually, what time is it? It's 1:24 in the morning. We had a movie night. as per usual, with the crowd. You know, Dom, Joe, Phil, George. And yeah, it was good. It's nice to watch a movie. We watched, I can't remember what the film name was, but it was about vampires and stuff. So yeah, it was a good laugh. And yeah, now we're heading off to bed. I'm going to make this super short now, because I am so knackered. It's unbelievable. And I have to get up at 7:45. So, Alexa, set an alarm.
Alarm for what time?
7:45 a.m.
Second alarm set for 7:45 a.m.
There we go. So I've set my alarm, and I am all ready to get up and go. So yeah, it's good night from me, it's good night from everyone else, and don't forget to live life to the max, treasure your friends, and grab every opportunity you get. Good night!